welcome back. So we did have cloudy skies with periods of rain, heavy at times with some thunderstorms across the region. Here's a look at our tower cam time lapse. Says we had just a few peaks of sunshine as we made our way through the morning, then more clouds, and the rain came through around 7 o'clock, and it's been raining ever since. Here's a look at the high temperatures across the region today. So with that strong southeasterly wind, we did make it to 77 degrees at North Platte and at Broken Bow, upper 70s also at Thedford and Valentine, but high temperatures closer to 70 out toward Ogallala and Imperial, where they did have a lot of rain as we made our way through the afternoon hours. Temperatures outside right now look like this: mid-50s at North Platte, Thedford, Broken Bow, Hyannis, and Lexington, with Valentine the warm spot at 61 and a 51 down toward Imperial. So there's your wind. They're trying to flip around a little more to a northeasterly direction, so that is going to weaken the storms out there, but we still have a good chance of rain as we go through the overnight. Winds right now around 10 to 15 miles per hour, so they have fallen since earlier today. Here's a look at the observed precipitation across the region. North Platte at 0.55 of an inch and counting. Imperial made it up to 3.8 inches so far. Ogallala 1.12 inches, and between 0.4 and 0.8 inches as you make your way from Broken Bow down toward Lexington. Now, because of all that rain, an aerial flood watch has just been issued all the way until 7 a.m. Central Time tomorrow morning, and this is basically from Custer and Lincoln County and points off to the south. We still have several more hours of rain in this direction and out toward the Panhandle. That's why we do have flood watches. Watch out if you're traveling and you see water on the roads as we make our way through the rest of the overnight and possibly into tomorrow if they decide to extend it. So here's a look at the Doppler radar. We're starting to dry out up toward Valentine, the Sand Hills, and the batch of moisture we've been tracking is now basically along the I-80 corridor. So from Ogallala to North Platte down toward Lexington, even up toward Broken Bow. And here's a look at where the strongest storms are. Right now, McCook points off to the south. Some strong storms out in that direction. Gusty winds, lots of lightning. Also from Lexington and just off to the east, basically leaving our viewing area, but our far eastern counties could be seeing some shower and thunderstorm activity, but no severe weather as of right now. Low pressure system continues to spin around and move off to the north. The spinning is causing the severe weather. Down toward Goodland, Kansas, they did have many tornado warnings, but this is tornado warnings because of the spin in the atmosphere. The thunderstorms really weren't that bad compared to out toward Oklahoma. They have plenty of supercell thunderstorms out in that direction right now. So as long as we have the spinning over us, we do have the possibility of some strong to even severe storms across the region that will last through tomorrow morning. So as we track it through time, we will have on and off periods of shower and thunderstorm activity, lows in the lower 50s. The spinning will start again mainly into the Sand Hills as we go through tomorrow afternoon, but that system's out of here. We're back to a strong northwesterly wind. That will dry us out as we go through Saturday. Maybe a few showers into the Sand Hills, but partly cloudy to even at times mostly sunny skies later in the day on Saturday. Saturday still a little cool with that northerly flow, with high temperatures getting into the upper 60s across the region. We're going to keep at least the chance of some showers Sunday and into Monday morning. It's not going to be a washout though. Partly cloudy skies otherwise, so the large chance of rain is gone. Temperatures in the lower 60s on Sunday, upper 60s for the day on Monday, and then we dry out. Partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies Tuesday and Wednesday. Highs in the mid to upper 70s before we're back to partly cloudy skies and a chance of some evening storms for the day on Thursday, warming up to 84. Kent?
That's a bit of a stretch there where we stay in the 60s before we get back to 70.
Yeah, and 60s is cooler than average for this time of year.
All right. Thanks so much, Justin. Possible breakthrough for people with peanut allergies. Researchers of a new study say an experiment